In the bustling city of Metropolis, where the noise of traffic and the glow of neon lights drowned out the whispers of the soul, lived a young woman named Maya. Born into a world of deadlines and digital screens, Maya found herself caught in the relentless rhythm of modern life, yearning for a purpose that transcended the superficial pursuits of success and societal expectations. Maya worked long hours at a prestigious tech firm, where the constant hum of productivity resonated in every corner. Her days were filled with meetings, emails, and the perpetual pursuit of climbing the corporate ladder. Yet, amidst the glittering skyscrapers and the constant buzz of ambition, Maya felt a void that no job title or paycheck could fill. One day, on her way home from work, Maya stumbled upon a small bookstore tucked away in a quiet alley. Intrigued by the faded sign that simply read, "Wisdom Within," she decided to step inside. The air in the bookstore was infused with a sense of tranquility, a stark contrast to the chaos of the city outside. As Maya wandered through the shelves, she discovered a section dedicated to Eastern philosophy. Among the books, a worn paperback caught her eye, "The Path Within, Discovering Your Life's Purpose Through Buddhism." Maya, feeling a magnetic pull, decided to purchase the book and delve into the teachings that promise to illuminate the path to a meaningful life. Over the next few weeks, Maya immersed herself in the ancient wisdom of Buddhism. She learned about the impermanence of life, the interconnectedness of all beings, and the importance of cultivating mindfulness. The teachings spoke to her in a way that no corporate strategy or career advice ever had. Maya began to question the trajectory of her life and the pursuits that had once seemed paramount. One evening, as the sun dipped below the city skyline, Maya found herself sitting in a meditation class at a local Buddhist center. Surrounded by others seeking solace in the midst of chaos, Maya closed her eyes and allowed her mind to quiet. In that stillness, she glimpsed a vision of a life aligned with her truest self, unburdened by societal expectations and the relentless pursuit of external validation. Inspired by this revelation, Maya embarked on a journey of self-discovery. She started by incorporating mindfulness practices into her daily routine, setting aside time for meditation and reflection. As the weeks passed, she noticed a subtle shift in her perspective. The once stressful demands of her job became opportunities for growth, and the cacophony of the city transformed into a symphony of interconnected lives. Maya's newfound sense of purpose led her to explore avenues beyond her corporate career. She volunteered at a local community center, connecting with individuals facing hardships that transcended the glossy exterior of success. In these moments of service, Maya discovered a profound joy that emanated from genuine connection and compassionate action. As Maya continued to deepen her understanding of Buddhism, she embraced the concept of right livelihood, the idea that one's work should contribute positively to the world. With this in mind, she began to explore ways to align her skills and passions with a greater purpose. This exploration led Maya to co-found a social enterprise that aimed to bridge the digital divide, providing underprivileged communities with access to technology and education. The journey was not without its challenges. Maya faced skepticism from those who questioned her departure from the conventional path of success. However, armed with the resilience cultivated through her mindfulness practice, she persevered. The social enterprise flourished, transforming lives and communities in ways Maya had never imagined. As Maya looked back on her transformative journey, she realized that her life's purpose was not a static destination but a dynamic, evolving expression of her authentic self. The wisdom of Buddhism had guided her to uncover the layers of conditioning and societal expectations that had obscured her true nature. In embracing impermanence and interconnectedness, Maya found a profound sense of purpose that transcended the transient pursuits of the external world. Maya's story became an inspiration for others seeking a deeper meaning in their lives. Her journey illustrated the transformative power of ancient wisdom in the context of the modern world, reminding people that true fulfillment arises not from the pursuit of external accolades but from the cultivation of inner wisdom and compassionate action. In the heart of Metropolis, where the pace of life continued unabated, Maya stood as a testament to the possibility of discovering a meaningful life amidst the chaos. Her story echoed through the city streets, whispering to those willing to listen that the path to purpose begins within, a journey illuminated by the timeless wisdom of the ages. Here are the 3 main lessons we can learn from the story. 1. The power of mindfulness and self-discovery. One of the primary lessons from the story is the transformative power of mindfulness and self-discovery. Maya's journey begins when she stumbles upon the ancient wisdom of Buddhism and starts exploring the depths of her own consciousness. Through practices like meditation and introspection, she gains insights that lead to a profound shift in her perspective. The story underscores the importance of taking time for self-reflection in the midst of a busy, modern life, a practice that can unveil a deeper understanding of oneself and the world. 2. Aligning personal values with life's purpose. Maya's story highlights the significance of aligning personal values with life's purpose. As she delves into the teachings of Buddhism, Maya learns about the concept of right livelihood, the idea that one's work should contribute positively to the world. This realization prompts her to reevaluate her career and explore ways to integrate her skills and passions with a greater purpose. The narrative encourages individuals to reflect on their values and consider how they can infuse their daily lives with meaning and significance by pursuing paths aligned with their core beliefs. 3. The dynamic nature of life's purpose. The story emphasizes that life's purpose is not a static destination but a dynamic, evolving expression of one's authentic self. Maya's journey is marked by a series of transformations, from the discovery of ancient wisdom to the exploration of mindfulness, volunteering, and ultimately, the creation of a social enterprise. Her experience illustrates that life's purpose is a continuous process of self-discovery and adaptation. The narrative encourages individuals to embrace change, navigate uncertainties, and recognize that purpose can evolve over time, leading to a more fulfilling and authentic life journey. Nothing could make us feel better if this video makes you feel a bit peaceful. This is the channel of Wisdom Hive. Please hit the subscribe button below and share with your loved ones if you would like to continue this wisdom journey with us. Invest yourself in wisdom. See you next time.